So, hello students. As you know, AutoCAD is a very important software. AutoCAD is widely used in the industry, whether you are a civil engineer, mechanical engineer, an architect, interior designer, whether you go for a government job or private job, AutoCAD is compulsory. Whether you are a diploma student, ITI student, BTech student, or even 10th pass, 12th pass student, learn AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is very important. It will easily help you get a job. This is a very widely used in the industry also, whether you are a civil engineer, mechanical engineer. So we have AutoCAD complete courses. You can check and our training. You can check our training also. See, this is our module and all. So see, so our module is like live project based training. So see the live projects, whether civil branch also, and in mechanical also live projects are there. The mechanical branch also you can see the live projects will be covered. So to do share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have our fees is also very low. So like now you can find my Android application link and my website link on my YouTube channel description. The website link and Android application. So you can purchase through any either my Android application or website. Both options are there. So both you can use both. Like if you purchase through Android application, you can log in through website also. Your login credentials. So anyway you can purchase. So your live project based training. And now I will show you how to purchase. So see, this is my website. As I told you, you can find in the my channel description about my website. So you will go there. Here you can see the login option is there. Login or sign up. If you are doing it for the first time, you need to sign up. If you already have an account, you just log in through this. So 1 minute, I will log in. Yeah. Yeah. Coming back, how to purchase the course and also our courses are available in both Hindi and English language. So language won't be a problem. And so share with your friends also. And this is a limited time offer. The fees is very low. Actually, the fees is so as soon as possible. You can after you purchasing the course, just message me on WhatsApp. Yeah. Every week, live doubt classes will be conducted for you. On so whatever your doubts will be, it will be covered. So yeah, and already all the videos are there. As soon as you purchase the course, you will get access to the video. See, after login, see this type of screen come. And yeah, so you can see there two options are there: AutoCAD civils, AutoCAD mechanical courses, civil courses. So whichever you want to purchase, just select the category. You can do this from Android application also. My Android application, see. Yeah, see. So what you need to suppose you want to purchase the AutoCAD mechanical or AutoCAD civil course. See, you just select this, left click from your mouse on. Here you can see the buy now button is there. Left click with your mouse on this once. Left click. Yeah. See. You see, you can do these things through my Android application also. This also you will find in my YouTube channel description. So you just download it, register it, and purchase the course. See. So this is my Android application. So share with your friends also. And yeah. So, so coming back, how to purchase? Same procedure is same. Whether you do it from a website or the mobile. See here, now here it is written purchase now button. So left click on your mouse once. Left click on this button once with your mouse. See purchase now. Then see this screen open here. See those, see this type of checkout screen will come. See, this is the fee. You just simply, this is my, so simply just purchase. Many options are there through UPI, credit card, net banking, whichever fee option you like. You just purchase the course and inform me. Through QR code, you can scan and pay. Just after purchasing the course, just message me on my WhatsApp number. Yeah. So you just message me on a WhatsApp number. Yeah. So just purchase the course. Yeah. Yeah. You will. This is the payment page. Just purchase through it and just inform me. Okay. And share with your friends also. And do it as soon as possible. Yeah. Because a limited time offer is there. See. So okay. Thank you. Share with your friends. And so you know AutoCAD is very important software tool. My Android application is there. So you can purchase through both options are there. So share with your friends also and yeah, subscribe to my YouTube and purchase the course as soon as possible. Limited time offer. Hindi, English, both languages are available. And software installation support also we provide. After you purchase the course, we will guide you how to install the software if you don't have the software, yeah, for practice. So we'll guide you. No extra charges for that. So we'll guide you. Okay. Share with your friends also and thank you. Okay. So do join the course because AutoCAD without AutoCAD you won't be able to like industry this nowadays is used widely whether we are civil or mechanical engineer or an architect or interior designer. Okay, thank you. Share with your friends also. Thank you.